Have you ever wondered the environmental impact of the buildings we admire? Think of the Eiffel Tower, entirely built of steel in the late 19th century. It stands as a familiar example of what was achieved using steel. However, nowadays, the construction industry is responsible for up to 10 gigatons of CO2 emissions every year. To put that in perspective, that's equivalent to the weight of roughly 4 million Olympic swimming pools filled with water. This impact compels us to rethink how we use steel. In my research, I explored the application of an innovative metal 3D printing technology called Wire Arc Additive Manufacturing, with the acronym WAAM, for structural applications. WAAM employs a robotic arm, a welding-like process, and a metal wire to produce large, complex, and customized steel structural elements that conventional methods simply cannot achieve. WAAM revolutionizes both fabrication and design by enabling a design for WAAM approach, allowing the production of complex and optimized steel structural elements that significantly reduce the steel consumption while maintaining the same structural performance. To have an idea, if we need 100 kilos of steel to produce a column, we can save up to 70 kilos of steel for producing the optimized WAAM column. This reduction in material use contributes to lower CO2 emissions during production. Of course, realizing these benefits comes with its challenges. These novel WAAM elements requires the design of these novel WAAM elements requires a deep understanding of the WAAM material's behavior, which differs from the original steel wire. Extensive experimental studies in my work have shown that the WAAM material's behavior is comparable to conventional structural steel, being able to support the development of design guidelines for WAAM elements. My research shows that rethinking steel construction with WAAM lets us reduce material use and cut CO2 emissions while maintaining the structural performance we need. This innovative approach could transform the way we build, paving the way toward a more sustainable future in construction. Thank you.